Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to our short and sweet mini lesson today for ELA. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I miss you all so much. This is so weird going back to recording when the past couple weeks we've been doing live lessons, but this week we're all taking our math assessments. So unfortunately, I have to record. But let's go ahead and get started. Today's date is... The day of the week is Monday. So today is Monday. We're in the month of December. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Or not. Okay. Monday, December. Yesterday was the 6th. So today is... Sorry, guys. Today is the 7th, and the year is 2020. So Monday, December 7th, 2020. If we wrote that in numerical form, the number for our month is 12-7-2020. Okay, 12-7-2020. Now, we are going to go over our sight words for this week. I do need some of your help, though, so maybe you could help me out. I don't know what to do for a couple of the hand motions that I have for this week's words, so I need your help. All right, what is this word? This is the word tell. T-E-L-L, tell. So for tell, I'm going to do tell. T-E-L-L, tell. I told you something. Okay, good. You need to tell the teacher. Here's this word. This is the word same. S-A-M-E, same. Okay, and for same, I thought we could do like hold up the same amount of fingers on each hand. So I have 2 and 2. S-A-M-E, same. I have the same amount on both hands. Now, these are the ones I need help with. I don't know what to do for these two. So if you come up with a good idea, you need to let me know. This is the word any. A-N-Y. Any. I know it doesn't look like any, right? It looks like Annie, but it's any. A-N-Y, any. And this is the word, I need help with this one too. This is the word boy. B-O-Y, boy. Alrighty. So if you think of any hand motions or different things we could do for any and boy, you gotta let me know. Alrighty. Now we're going to travel to Letterland. I think today for Letterland, I'm going to just walk to Letterland. I think I'm just feeling a nice wintry walk. Try to hit full screen. Alrighty.
Let's all go to Letterland. Let's all fly to Letterland. Let's all jump to Letterland and meet with all our friends. Let's all ride to Letterland. Let's all hop to Letterland. Let's all try to Letterland and meet with all our friends. And meet with all our friends. See you there.
All right. So I'm going to go back to this screen. I am going to turn the lights back on because I would like us to review our vowel patterns that we went over last week. So these are the vowel patterns that we went over last week. The last week we went over magic E, right? And how magic E makes the vowel say its name. So like for the For Annie Apple, which usually says ah, E would make it say A. For Impy Inkman, which usually says E at the end would make it say I, right? So words like cake, lake, gave, grape, came, and plate, okay? Then for words with the I and the E, right, it would change it from like writ, this would be writ, to write, Tim to time, okay? So write, time. Well, this is a good one. Rid to ride, okay? So time, ride, mine, line, and like, okay? We are talking about a new magic E rule today, okay? So our new magic E rule is silent magic E shoots back its magic sparks over one letter to make Mr. O appear and say his name, O, in lots of words like home, nose, and rope. So let's go over real quick. We're going to read our story about O, Mr. O, and Magic E. Look, Magic E has now made Mr. O appear, so he can say his name. Mr. O is in hospital visiting Golden Girl. She has broken a bone in her arm. Mr. O has brought her a rose and a get well note. The note says that he hopes she will be able to go home soon. In the envelope, there was also a card with a joke to make her laugh. Can you see Fix-It Max? He's in hospital because he has hurt his nose. He's wearing his bathrobe as he's just woken from a quick doze. He's found a telescope, so he's going to see what he can see out of the window. First, he'll have to move that globe. Then he might be able to see a stone cottage with smoke coming out of the chimney. Do you know the name of the flowers on the windowsill? So these flowers here. So see all those different cone, right? Zone, the green zone. Okay. The telescope, the smoke coming out of the chimney, the hose, the bones that are on the x-ray, the notes, the stethoscope, the rope, the joke that's in the card. So all of those words are the magic E. Now, couple words I want to go over. So before we build some words. Not working with me today. So for example, we all know what this word is. This is the word hop. Hop. But when you add the magic E on the end, right? It changes it to hope. Because this E makes the O say its name. The next word I want to go over with you is actually one that was in our story. Okay? So this is the word ought, not. But when you pop that magic E, that special magic E at the end, it makes the O say its name, so it's note. Okay? So we're going to go over some words together. And we're actually going to fill in our chart over here. So we have our O with magic E making this say its name. So we have some words like the word note that we just built. So I want you to go ahead and write these words in your notebook. Oat, note, okay, because this E makes the O say its name. It's not because this is the word not, and we know that, right? But with that E, it makes the O say its name, so it's the word note. And you know, if you need to, you can always pause this video if you need extra time to write, okay? You just tap that screen, pause that video. That's the word note. Another word from our story, this is the word nose, okay? Nose. So like your nose, right? So O's, nose. Good. What about this word? This is the word hope, right? Because without the E, that would be hop. And we know that this isn't hop, so this is hope because the E makes the O say its name. Hope, hope. Good. Okay. This is the word close. So like to close a door, not the clothes you wear on your body. So this is close, close, okay? So you close the door, you close the drawer, or you close the car door, something like that. That's close, okay? Close, close. Good. Okay. This is the word rope, rope. So ope, rope. Good. Okay, rope. What about this one? This is the word road, road. So like not the road you drive on, but like I rode my bicycle to this shopping market. Road, road. Or the favorite ride I rode. I used two. Favorite ride I rode in Disney World was, I don't even know. I have a lot of favorite rides. Probably the one with Neverland and Peter Pan. I really like that one. That one was magical. So, road. Okay. And the last one we're going to go over is this one. So remember with WR, the W is basically silent. So it's just wrote. Okay. So with WR, the W is basically silent. So this doesn't say its name. It just says wrote. Just like right. Like right here. See? Just like right. So it's wrote. Good. Alrighty. So we're going to go ahead and real quickly go over your reading activities. So I don't have this book, so I'm not actually going to read the book to you. You're going to read it on your own before you complete the activity. Okay, but I do want to go over it real quickly with you. I told you this is going to be kind of like a mini lesson, just with doing all of the math assessments and then recordings and stuff. So kind of short and sweet, pretty quick. Okay, so as you can see, this, when you tap add responses, is exactly what you'll see. So you'll literally tap on the link right here, and it'll take you to the read aloud.
Memoirs of an Elf by Devin Skillion and illustrated by Tim Bowers.
So it'll literally take you to the read aloud of Memoirs of an Elf, okay? Now, this book is special because it counts down the time of an elf counting down till Christmas Day, Christmas morning, okay? So it's order of events. So we're thinking about retell. How are we retelling this story, okay? What you're going to do is you are going to, after listening to the story, you're going to move the events in the correct order. So over here, you see this video? You'll listen to me. I read each of these 2 times, okay? So 22 hours to go, 18 hours to go, 12 hours to go, 9 hours to go, 4 hours to go, 20 minutes to go. So I would suggest, okay, because it'll probably be easiest, is to read this right away, okay? You'll read this the whole way through, then immediately come back to this, listen to what all these are and put them in order. Don't like watch the reading and then take a break or something. I would watch the reading and come back and do this activity and then hit the check to turn it in. Okay? But that's all you have to do is you just have to put these events in order. You don't have to record anything. And then when you're finished, you tap the green check to turn it in. Make sure you put them in the correct order, though. If you don't put them in the correct order, I will send the activity back for you to go back and reread the book again. So make sure you're listening to that story and rereading that book. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. I miss you so much. I've loved live lessons. So this was definitely more of a sad time because I didn't get to see you and interact with all of you. But I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. If I don't get to see you today for your math assessments, I'll see you tomorrow or Thursday. So I'll get to see you a little bit. Oh, and we have our live morning meetings at 7:30 Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So hopefully I'll get to see you for those too. But if not, if you need to come back and watch this lesson again, you're more than welcome to. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye, boys and girls.